Let's check in with Tyrese, an enrolled member of the Northern Arapaho tribe who came to SKC determined to build a better future. Through SKC's various career and technical education programs, students gain hands-on experience in the newest technology and machines. From truck driving and CDL certification to heavy equipment operation, Tyrese is ready for his future. Tyrese, take it away.
Thanks for that introduction, Alex. My Buffalo Trail began in Fawashki, Wyoming. After earning my carpentry diploma from Wind River Job Corps, I knew I had more to offer and more to learn. I've always been motivated to better myself and pursue education, so I chose SKC because I saw opportunity to grow, not just with a degree, but with real hands-on skills. The Highway Construction Training Program combines truck driving, CDL training, and heavy equipment coursework, using the latest industry technology. We train on immersive simulators and brand new equipment, including trucks purchased just this year. Whether it's HCT, building trades, or one of SKC's other career and technical education programs, you'll be truly prepared for work in the real world. In fact, one of the biggest names in construction visited our campus and said our facilities go beyond what they've seen at other schools. That told me I was in the right place. At SKC, learning isn't just academic, it's personal. I've gained technical knowledge, but also confidence, purpose, and pride. Every early morning and long day is a step towards a better future. For me, what really makes SKC different is the support. In most jobs, if life throws something at you, you're on your own. Here, they understand that we're human. You're supported to keep showing up for school, for your family, and for yourself. Now I'm ready to take what I learned into the workforce. I plan to provide for my family, give back to my community, and keep moving forward. That's my Buffalo Trail. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Tyrese, for that powerful reflection. Your story reminds us that education isn't just about books. It's about skills, support, and believing in your future. From simulators to steel, your hard work at SKC is paving a strong path forward. We're so excited to see where your Bison Trail leads next, Tyrese. Thanks again.